Your kidneys filter over 200 liters of blood every single day. They pull out waste, balance, fluids, and keep your blood pressure in check. But here's the problem. Most people are slowly destroying their kidneys without even knowing it. Too much salt, too much sugar, too much processed food, and almost zero support from their diet. The result? Inflammation builds up, toxins accumulate, and over time, your kidneys quietly start to fail. But there are 5 seeds that science has directly linked to kidney protection. Seeds that reduce inflammation inside the nephrons. Seeds that help flush crystallized waste before it turns into painful stones. Seeds that deliver antioxidants directly to the renal tissue. And most people have never heard of them. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which seeds to start eating and how to use them the right way. If you're new here, subscribe to Health Decoded. We break down the real science behind the foods your body actually needs. Let's start with the basics. Your kidneys are 2 fist-sized organs sitting just below your rib cage on each side of your spine. Inside each kidney are around 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. Each nephron contains a glomerulus, a microscopic knot of blood vessels that acts like a sieve. Blood flows in, waste gets filtered out, and clean blood flows back into circulation. What gets filtered becomes urine. But when the kidneys are under chronic stress from poor diet, dehydration, high blood pressure, or toxin overload, those nephrons begin to lose function. And once kidney tissue is damaged, it rarely regenerates. That's what makes early intervention so critical. And that's exactly where these 5 seeds come in. Each one works on a different mechanism to protect, cleanse, and support renal function. Let's go through them one by one. Seed number 1, flaxseed, is one of the most studied seeds for kidney health on the planet. The reason comes down to 2 things: alpha-linolenic acid and lignans. Alpha-linolenic acid is an omega-3 fatty acid, and omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that directly target the inflammatory pathways active inside. Damaged kidney tissue. Chronic kidney disease is fundamentally an inflammatory condition. The nephrons get inflamed, scar tissue builds up, and filtration capacity drops. Omega-3 fatty acids interrupt that cycle by suppressing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules like leukotriene, B4, and interleukin-6. Multiple clinical studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation is associated with reduced proteinuria. That's the leaking of protein into urine, which is one of the earliest warning signs of kidney damage. But flaxseed doesn't stop there. It also contains lignans. Lignans are plant compounds with strong antioxidant properties. The kidneys are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, the damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Oxidative stress accelerates the breakdown of renal cells. Lignans neutralize free radicals inside the renal tissue, slowing that cellular breakdown. A study published in the journal Kidney International found that flaxseed consumption in patients with polycystic kidney disease helps slow the rate of cyst growth. The researchers pointed directly to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant profile of flaxseed as the mechanism. How to use it. Grind your flaxseed before eating it. Whole seeds often pass through the digestive tract without being absorbed. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to your oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt daily. Seed number 2, pumpkin seeds times. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium on Earth, and magnesium plays a role in kidney health that most people have completely overlooked. Here's what the science shows. Kidney stones are one of the most common kidney disorders worldwide. The most common type calcium oxalate stones form when oxalate binds to calcium inside the renal tubules and crystallizes. Magnesium competes with oxalate for calcium. When magnesium is present in sufficient quantities, it binds to oxalate before calcium can. And magnesium oxalate is far more soluble than calcium oxalate, meaning it passes through the urinary tract instead of crystallizing into a stone. Multiple studies have confirmed that low magnesium levels are a significant risk factor for recurrent kidney stone formation. Pumpkin seeds also contain cucurbitin, a compound with diuretic properties. Diuretics increase urine production, which flushes the kidneys more frequently, preventing the accumulation of waste and mineral deposits. Beyond that, pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc. Zinc is essential for the function of hundreds of enzymes in the body, including those responsible for cellular repair inside the kidneys. People with chronic kidney disease consistently show lower zinc levels than healthy individuals. Replenishing zinc through food, not supplements, allows those enzymatic repair pathways to function at full capacity. How to use it? Eat 1 small handful of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds daily. Roasted is fine, but raw preserves more of the active nutrients. Avoid salted varieties. Excess sodium is one of the primary drivers of kidney stress. Seed number 3, coriander seeds. Coriander seeds have been used in traditional medicine for kidney support for centuries, but modern science is now confirming what those traditions suggested. The active compounds in coriander seeds, including linalool, camphor, and terpenine, have been shown in laboratory and animal studies to possess nephroprotective properties. Nephroprotective means they protect the kidney cells from damage. One of the key mechanisms involves heavy metal chelation. The kidneys are the primary filter for heavy metals that enter the body, things like lead, cadmium, and mercury from contaminated food, water, and environmental exposure. Chronic low-level heavy metal accumulation is a documented cause of kidney tubular damage. Research has shown that coriander contains compounds that bind to heavy metal ions, a process called chelation, and help facilitate their excretion from the body through urine. Animal studies have demonstrated reduced kidney tissue damage in subjects exposed to heavy metals when coriander extract was administered. Coriander seeds also have a mild diuretic effect, increasing urinary output and helping flush accumulated waste from the renal system. Additionally, coriander contains quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant that protects the glomerulus from oxidative injury. How to use it? Soak 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the seeds and drink the water on an empty stomach. This method has been used across South Asian and Middle Eastern traditional medicine for kidney cleansing for centuries. Alternatively, coriander seed tea can be prepared by simmering the seeds in hot water for 10 minutes. Seed number 4, sunflower seeds times. Sunflower seeds are exceptional for kidney health, primarily because of their vitamin E content. 1 ounce of sunflower seeds contains nearly 50% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin E, and vitamin E is arguably the most important fat-soluble antioxidant for protecting renal tissue. Here's why that matters. The kidneys have one of the highest metabolic rates in the body. High metabolic activity means high oxygen consumption. High oxygen consumption means high free radical production. Without adequate antioxidant protection, those free radicals oxidize the lipid membranes of kidney cells, a process called lipid peroxidation. Lipid peroxidation is a key driver of kidney cell death and scar tissue formation. Vitamin E intercepts free radicals before they can reach the cell membrane, neutralizing them and preventing that oxidative cascade. Clinical research in patients with chronic kidney disease has found that vitamin E supplementation significantly reduces markers of oxidative stress in renal tissue. Sunflower seeds also contain selenium, a trace mineral that works synergistically with vitamin E to amplify its antioxidant effects. The combination of vitamin E and selenium in sunflower seeds creates a 2-layer antioxidant defense inside the kidneys. Sunflower seeds are also relatively low in oxalate compared to other nuts and seeds, making them a safer choice for people prone to kidney stones. How to use it? 1 ounce of raw, unsalted sunflower seeds per day provides meaningful kidney protective nutrition. Add them to salads, trail mix, or eat them as a standalone snack. Again, always unsalted, because sodium directly raises blood pressure and increases the filtration burden on the kidneys. Seed number 5, basil seeds. Basil seeds, sometimes called sabja seeds or tukmaria, are different from sweet basil leaves. They come from the Ocimum basilicum plant, but they have a very distinct nutritional profile. When soaked in water, basil seeds swell into a thick, gel-like mass. That gel is made of soluble fiber, and soluble fiber plays a direct role in kidney health through 2 mechanisms. First, soluble fiber binds to excess glucose in the digestive tract, slowing its absorption into the bloodstream. This matters because high blood sugar, even at pre-diabetic levels, causes a condition called hyperfiltration, where the kidneys are forced to filter far more blood than normal. Chronic hyperfiltration physically damages the glomerulus over time. By blunting blood sugar spikes, basil seeds reduce that hyperfiltration burden. Second, soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the gut, reducing the amount of LDL that enters circulation. High LDL cholesterol is an independent risk factor for chronic kidney disease. It promotes endothelial inflammation inside the renal blood vessels. Beyond the fiber, basil seeds contain rosmarinic acid, a polyphenol with documented anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity. Animal studies have shown rosmarinic acid to be directly nephroprotective, particularly against drug-induced kidney injury. Basil seeds are also extremely high in water-absorbing capacity. When consumed with adequate water, they help increase total fluid intake and urinary output, a simple but powerful way to flush the kidneys and prevent the stagnation that leads to stone formation. How to use it? Soak 1 teaspoon of basil seeds in a full glass of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Drink the entire glass once the seeds have fully expanded. Do this once or twice a day, preferably in the morning and early afternoon. Now let's zoom out, because all 5 of these seeds share something important. They don't just support the kidneys in isolation, they support the entire metabolic environment that determines kidney health. Flaxseed targets inflammation. Pumpkin seeds address mineral imbalance and stone prevention. Coriander seeds assist with heavy metal clearance. Sunflower seeds neutralize oxidative damage at the cellular membrane. Basil seeds regulate blood sugar, reduce cholesterol burden, and increase urinary flushing. These are 5 different attack angles on the same problem, and used consistently as part of a whole food diet that is low in sodium, low in processed sugar, and high in hydration. They give your kidneys the raw materials they need to function at their best. Start with 1, add it to your daily routine consistently for 30 days, then build from there. Your kidneys work silently every second of your life. It's time you gave them something back.